how to fix any apps and games not installed on Play Store. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Over here, search for the application Google Play Store. And then head over to it. Move into Storage and Cache. Clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app, and it will make your application run smoothly. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. Tap on your profile at the top left corner. Head over to Play Protect. Now click on this gear icon at the top right. It will land you on this interface. Right here, what you want to do is disable this option. Once it has been disabled, you will be able to download any kinds of apps and games on your device, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix apps and games not installed on Play Store. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.